Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from TechTalk, and in today's video we're finally going to check out the brand new Apple Airpods Pro. So let's go through the unboxing and give my first impressions. It's just been a while since I've been able to get my hands on these. So these are Apple's first generation of their Pro variants of the AirPods. They have previously released two different variants, so one had the charging case and one had the wireless charging case with minor updates. And the AirPods were actually first launched in December 2016, so nearly 4 years ago now, which is unbelievable. So on the front here, we get to see the new design of the Pro variant of Apple AirPods. So on the top here, it has Apple AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. And on the back here, you can see the wireless charging case. And we have a bit of information. We have an Apple logo, which is next to our Easy Pull tab now. No need to use a knife anymore, which is really good. So I'm just going to take off this wrapping here, which is great. And then we get to see the information that's on the back here. So on the side here, it says compatible with iOS device, iPadOS device, Apple Watch or Mac with the latest software. Works with Qi certified chargers, and that's for wireless charging. So on the back here, it says AirPods Pro with wireless charging case, and it's got a bit of a different style to the case. So let's take off the lid. Slow revealer as always from Apple. We have designed by Apple in California. So this is going to be our paperwork. First one is our fingertip guide, which is AirPods Pro, and this is going to lever out. There's going to be information on the reverse. And again, this works with your device. And there has just been some updates to features, and we'll go through a featured video, but I thought I'd just bring you the unboxing and first look. Information, your warranty, and other information there to read through if you so want to. Then we have a tab here to pull out our AirPods Pro. Got to remember they're the Pro variants now. Always nice and satisfying to take that away. You can just push this other bit out. So I'm not going to open it yet because it's going to try and pair instantly, but there is a button on the back here to help pairing if they don't pair instantly. So I have just gone up to the brand new iOS 14. So underneath this, there's been loads of videos on TikTok that people didn't realize that this was under here. So underneath, we do have another charging cable, which can always come in handy. So USB-C to Lightning, so that can help with charging. So inside here, you've got your extra tips. So small, medium, and large. And I believe the medium one are fitted in the actual AirPods themselves. So that's everything that we get to see there. So let's bring in my iPhone. Bringing in my iPhone 11 Pro Max now, let's pair up our brand new Apple AirPods Pro. So there's a couple of ways of doing this. You can simply just open the lid. So let's see if this works. Yes, amazing. Or you could have pressed the button on the back. We're going to hit connect. So these are going to connect up now and link up to our system. And obviously, because I have my iPad, it's come up on my iPad as well. So just on my iPad here, it's come up that we can connect as well if we want to, but we're going to be doing it through the phone. I'm going to show you the iPad in a second because it's all about the spatial awareness as well, a new feature that has come. So we've got a little bit of an option here. So spatial awareness, great timing. That's just come up here that we can talk about. It says here, spatial awareness. Hear immersive three-dimensional audio from supported videos that follows the movement of your iPhone. Spatial audio. Hear immersive three-dimensional audio from supported videos that follows the movement of your iPhone. So I'm just going to put them in. So let's take them out and we'll take a look at our AirPod Pros here. Look very nice, a little bit larger than what the previous generation was, and I will do a comparison and show you. And it has a touch sensitive area down the side here. Like I said, it has the medium sized ear tips on already, and you can change or adjust these. So this is the left one. So I'm just going to put it in my left ear. Here's the right one. I'm going to put that in my right ear. And again, you might need to change the tips depending on you. So let's see and hear how it works. So I'm just turning it up a little bit. So I'm getting some feedback through the headphones. So first of all, it's stereo audio, and then you've got the spatial audio there. And you can really notice a difference because it's around you. Really interesting way of seeing this here, and a key difference between the two. And again, this will work with your iPad as well. So I'm going to turn on spatial audio. That's great. So we can see we've got some charge here, and obviously so has the case. So I'm going to hit done. So we're all done now, and it will be the same on the iPad, and it can automatically pick up depending what you're doing. So we can go to the iPad, stream some content on the iPad, and actually it'll work through the AirPods as well for you. If you get a phone call, again, it'll just switch and it will know automatically, which is really interesting. So we go into music here, go into music, and we can start playing some music. And then also there is some gesture controls. So let's go through some gesture controls while we just then talk about some audio as well afterwards. Use the force sensor to easily control music and calls and switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. So if we take a look at the right one here, you can see there's a little indent here, and I'll take a better shot of this and hopefully you'll be able to see it. There's a little indent there that you're going to press. So we can press once to play or pause, and it begins to play again. Press again, and this will pause, which is really nice and really helpful to see. We can then double press to skip forward. You get like a little feedback. So we're going to skip forward there. You can then press 3 times to skip back. And it goes back. Press once to stop and then pause, depending what you want to do. We've got then, hey Siri, what's the weather today? So Siri fed that back to me, and that was great, nice and easy. Press again, and then it will start to play the music. So with this, you're going to hear like a little click, which is really good. So finally, there's one other key feature of what these Apple AirPods Pros are all about, and that is the active noise cancellation technology built in here. So to actually switch between ANC, active noise cancellation, and also transparency mode, where you're going to hear more, all you do is press and hold. And you hear like a beep. There's different beeps that identify different things. And again, you can feel the pressure as well. It tries to sort of improve the sound. And you can press play again, and it'll begin to play for you. So they're the gesture control options that you use on these force touch sensors here that run along each of the AirPod Pros. And again, it's the same on the left-hand side. I've just used the right one here to show you. So on my iPad, it's come up with here, announce messages. So announce messages for me. It says here, have Siri read out messages without having to unlock your iPad. Siri will avoid interrupting you while listening after reading messages, so you can reply without saying, hey Siri. So placing both the Apple AirPod Pros in, let's go through and look. If we swipe down here, we've got this new tab. Pull this down to change our volume. At the bottom, we've got a couple of other options. So tap on here. So we've got noise cancellation, you've got off, and then you've got transparency, which means you can hear yourself a lot more clearer, picks up noise. And so say if you was on an aeroplane, it would pick up someone automatically. Or say you was walking along a busy street and someone said hello to you, it should pick that up and it amplifies the noise around you. But active noise cancellation is really good, and you can notice a massive difference. Obviously it's quite hard to show in a video, but I'm noticing quite a difference here. Volume slider again, and just enjoy your music. Tap this back again. We can also touch and hold, and you've got your spatial audio here. You can turn on or off depending what you want to do. And of course, this will affect battery life. So let's go through some more key details about the Apple AirPod Pros. Active noise cancellation paired with the Apple AirPods Pro are the only in-ear headphones with active noise cancellation that are continuously adapts to the geometry of your ear and the fit of the ear tips, blocking out the world so you can focus on what you are listening to. Want to hear what's happening around you? Just press and hold the force sensors on the stem to jump between active noise cancellation and transparency modes, which lets outside sound in and allows things to sound and feel natural when you are talking to people nearby. Powerful bass is delivered by a custom-built high execution, low distortion speaker driver. An inward-facing microphone hears sound as you do. AirPods Pro then fine-tune the audio by adjusting the mid and low frequencies. The amplifier powers the speaker driver to remove background noise and works with the H1 chip to control listening levels. They offer a super effective high dynamic range amplifier, produces pure, incredible, clear sound, while also extending battery life, which is really important. Tech-packed but yet compact, the AirPods Pro are built around the system-in-package design, featuring the H1 chip that powers everything from sound to Siri. The Apple-designed H1 chip employs 10 audible cores, creating incredible low audio processing latency that enables real-time noise cancellation. Use the 4 sensors to easily control music, calls, and switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. They offer wireless charging, so you can put them on a wireless charging mat if you so want to. It offers 24 hours of listening with multiple additional charges with the case. You can get up to 4.5 hours of listening on a single charge, and 1 hour of listening with just 5 minutes of charging, which is really good, and we'll test that out. You can easily connect, as you've seen, and pair instantly with a simple open of the case and connect to multiple Apple devices. Use Siri to help get answers or control your device when your hands are not free. Use the ear tip fit test to create the optimal listening experience. You'll get the right size for your ears and the best seal for noise cancellation. I want to say that I took these away and had a test with them, and it's very impressive with movies, music, audiobooks. The sound quality is next level compared to the previous generation of AirPods. As this is their Pro variant, there's extra features which I have gone through. I'm looking forward to testing out further with multiple Apple devices, as you know I have. But over to you, the audience, what do you think? Do you have a pair already because they've been out a little while? Are you waiting for the second generation? Just leave a comment down below and it's always great to hear from you. While you're there, please give the video a like, and if you haven't yet already, please subscribe and ring the notification bell to be updated with all of my latest videos. From me, Ricky, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.